She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light that's shining deeper than the eyes can find it. Maybe we're made of blind souls. She tries to cover up her pain and cut her woes away, 'cause cover girls don't cry after the face is made. But there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are, and you don't have to change a thing. The world could change, it's hard. No scars, so you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful.
Hi, I'm Alicia, and I just want to tell you my story. I'm 21 years old, and I'm from Samar. And when I'm 8 years old, my father raped me, and when I'm become 12 years old, my mother using my body to take my videos to send to the customers and foreigners, and the money that I earned on that video was they buying up only drugs. And when I got 15 years old, she started selling me on foreigners, and that time I've been raped, and they torture me and do crazy positions, and I've been had infection on that time and confined on hospital, and no one helping me. My mother said that go away. She not even using me anymore on money. So they say that go away and find a new home. And then I've been come on my brother that's single on that time. When I'm in the shower on their home, he got raped me 3 times on their house, and I got pregnant. I've been depressed and do a suicide on that time, but I'm only thinking on my baby. I want to abort on that baby, but I think that I'm going to try on Walking Street on Angeles to survive. And my brother finding me and said that don't take away my child, and then he will kill me. And then I'm just live in Angeles to hide on him, so they not see me and my baby. And now I've been working on Walking Street to survive for almost 10 months to take a medicine to my baby that have a sick on her heart. She have a cancer on her heart and hard to breathe, and no one helping me. So that I just working on Wall Street and finding foreigners to take a sex, and sometimes they not paying me, and then they only doing me a crazy positions and very abusive and violent. And then after that sex, they saying that go home, and then they only laughing at me. And then my baby was going to 50-50, and then he not bread right now. and the doctor said that he can do a bread for tomorrow, and he can eat anymore, and then going to die. I don't know what I do to myself right now. I want to suicide myself because of my baby that's going to die, and I don't know where I'm going to ask help, and one day I want to come on my uncle that near on Angeles 2. And then one day I've been sleep on their house, and then their friends and uncle and my brothers was rape me, and I've been have on infection. I don't know that they have an infection, and my infection was really hard and sick. I don't know where I go and what I do to myself. I want to suicide myself to everything that happened to me, and my father got him friends on that room that I'm there, and then he said that I can sex with their brothers, and then they rape me while I'm sleeping. And my mom called on my father that he got a cancer, and then he just ignore her, and I want to go to my mom because she's saying that she's sorry to that do on me, but and then when I got well on hospital, I got home, and then I just want to go somewhere to find a new home, and then one day I just walking on Walking Street, and one day when I'm asleep, the one black guy was on crazy drunk, and the big bottle on his drinking was there. They got on my, they going inside on my ass. So, and then they, what is they pulling my hand so that I can do something or say something, and they just do what is the pasok go, and then you know the battle, and then going to my ass. What that? Can you explain that? They entering the battle of my ass, and then they pulling my hand so that I can't move. And when I'm crying, they going to torture me. Crazy things, all crazy things that they do to me, all. And
living with your walls up, I don't see a way out. No, no. Calling from the towers, let it ring out. Giving up the fortress, you're the king now. No. Take me down and you will watch me rise. You will watch me. Morning to fight.